To set up your air conditioner, download the SmartHQ app to your mobile device. Once downloaded, log in or create a SmartHQ account. Then press the plus icon in the upper right corner to add an appliance. Select Profile. Press the air conditioner icon, and then select Window or Built-in Air Conditioner. You will then see a welcome screen. Click Next to get started. The app will direct you to go to your air conditioner and press the Wi-Fi button. The light will then begin to flash. Press Next on the app. The app will then request the network name and password assigned to your air conditioner. You'll find that information on a label located on the right side of the unit. Enter that information into the app. Then press Next. Now select the Wi-Fi module and select your home Wi-Fi network. Press Next. Once setup is complete, press Done. The app will then locate your appliance in the cloud. Please note that this may take several minutes. Once finished, you'll get a confirmation that your appliance is connected. Now you can control and monitor your window air conditioner right from the SmartHQ app, anytime, anywhere.